All right, today we're going to bring a light fixture. Now, this one has a lot of crystals. It also includes a remote. Now, the remote is very simple. There's no options that much in here, only pretty much light effects, different tones, and also brightnesses, and also a timer that you can set up. Now, here you can set up your control from here too. Also change it from lighting effects and dimming. All right, now this whole thing is crystals, if you guys can see, all around. Beautiful fixture. This is great for a kitchen and entrance, pretty much anywhere. Now just make sure that you have a strong backing because this is a little heavier, right? And there is a couple of crystals replacements that are available too, so you don't have to worry. If one's broken or missing, they give you 3 of them in a little bag that you could replace, and these are easy to remove and set up. All right, so now the light effect's going to come from the top. We're going to set it up and we're going to put it flush, see how it works. So let's go ahead and do that, and make sure you set this part first because this is the most part that's gonna hang on to the whole entire thing. All right, so the lighting, to set up the light, let's turn it around. All right, it's a little different here because of the color torn. All right, so you have your ground here, but I'm glad they actually labeled the cables. You have neutral, and then you got your live. Right, live is gonna be the black cable, neutral is going to be the white cable. Just remember that. And everything's already pre-cabled. LED lights are going to be connected to this system. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks. All right, so we have our remote here. And if you guys can see that, we could change different tone lights. If you guys can see, just changing the lights. And then we're going to go back to the case. We could change to yellow and white together. Look at that. So you could change it to whatever tone you want. And the good thing is you can also turn it off from here, completely darkness. And then you have access to turn it on. And then we're going to change the lighting effect to brightness. And then if you want to dim it down too for kids, you could just tone it down there too for kids. Changing it out, brightness back, changing the K. And then you have alarm. And you have setup. You could dim it down too, like dimming it down to what you had. So if you like certain effect, you could dim it down. Go back up by holding the button down. That's pretty much it. So very simple, easy to install, easy to set up, and you can install too. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.